If you're looking for information on the Speechki Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Speechki Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Speechki Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. The ultimate text-to-speech ChatGPT plugin. For businesses looking to harness the power of voice marketing, Speechki Lifetime Deal offers a unique opportunity by providing a comprehensive platform for creating, managing, and analyzing voice campaigns. Speechki aims to revolutionize the way businesses engage with their audience. The importance of voice marketing. In today's fast-paced digital world, voice marketing has emerged as a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their customers and build brand loyalty. Voice technology is becoming increasingly popular, with smart speakers and voice assistants finding their way into homes and offices around the world. By leveraging voice marketing, businesses can tap into this growing trend and deliver personalized and interactive experiences to their customers. Features of Speechki Lifetime Deal. Instant conversion of text into high-quality audio. Speechki offers a powerful feature that allows users to instantly convert their text into high-quality audio. Whether you need to turn your blog post, ebook, or any other written content into an engaging audio format, Speechki makes it easy and convenient. With just a few clicks, you can transform your text into professional-sounding audio that captivates your audience and enhances your content. Wide range of voices, accents, and languages. One of the standout features of Speechki is its wide range of voices, accents, and languages. Whether you want to create audio content in English, Spanish, French, or any other language, Speechki has got you covered. Not only that, but you can also choose from a variety of voices and accents to suit your brand and target audience. This versatility ensures that your audio content is authentic, relatable, and resonates well with your listeners. Use cases for various industries. Speechki is a versatile tool that caters to various industries and use cases. From e-learning platforms and podcasters to marketers and content creators, Speechki offers practical applications for everyone. Teachers can use Speechki to enhance their online courses by providing audio versions of their lesson, while podcasters can easily convert their written show notes into engaging audio intros. Marketers can leverage Speechki to create professional voiceovers for their video ads, and content creators can bring their written articles to life with captivating audio narration. The possibilities are endless. Speechki Lifetime Deal provides users with the opportunity to access these impressive features and more without the hassle of subscription fees. With a one-time payment, you can enjoy lifetime access to this innovative tool, allowing you to enhance your content creation process, engage your audience, and save both time and money in the long run. Speechki Lifetime Deal is a game changer for anyone looking to add audio elements to their content and take their brand to the next level. With its user-friendly interface, high-quality audio conversion, and wide range of voices and languages, Speechki empowers users to create captivating audio content that leaves a lasting impression. Audiogram Words is a valuable tool for enhancing your audio content and capturing attention on social media. Whether you're an educator, advertiser, content creator, or business owner, Speechki Lifetime Deal offers the perfect solution for creating visually impactful and engaging videos. Take advantage of this innovative platform to stand out from the crowd and make your audio content shine on social media. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Speechki today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.